I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at unboxing and setting up the Swiffer sweeper. So this can be used with wet or dry cleaning pads. I think it's a fantastic tool for cleaning floors. I use it on my hardwood floors. I use one in my kitchen, and I just got this new one that we're gonna set up here because you can never have too many. Okay, so let's get into setting this thing up. So we've got all the different pads in here. We've got wet pads, we've got dry pads, but the main piece we're looking for is the actual parts of this cleaner. So the Swiffer sweeper, really fantastic cleaner. Let's go ahead and start to set it up. So very simple, we take the bottom piece here, this is what's gonna go on the floor, and we start to basically add these little extendable pieces onto it. So the first one that we're gonna wanna add is the one that has two little holes in it, and we just slip that on there. We push this little piece down, and then we snap that into place. So building that up, now the next one we're gonna do is one where it has the little dot on one side and the hole on the other. Slide that in, snap it into place. We're gonna do one more of those. You can see this is getting extended further and further, so it's gonna be easy to use it on our floors. That's gonna snap into place on there, and basically I'll show you up close. We're just aligning that little snap piece with the hole and just letting it click out and lock into place. Super easy. Then the final piece, this is our nice handle. We're gonna put that on, and in probably 15 seconds or so of actual assembly, we've got our Swiffer sweeper ready to go here. So our next step is we're gonna attach one of the cleaning pads to this Swiffer sweeper, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these pads out of here. So it comes with several of the cleaning pads to test out. You also get a heavy-duty cleaning pad to try, and that's great for those rougher floors, like a garage or basement. And you get these wet cleaning ones, which are great for almost like a mopping equivalent. Very helpful to use on tile floors, for example, in a kitchen. But let's go ahead and take one of the dry cloths. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And if we look at the end of the Swiffer, we're gonna take the cloth, we're gonna take the Swiffer sweeper here, and we're gonna open up this cloth, and you can see there's these little points that can grab the cloth. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the sides of the cloth, and we're gonna put it over this, and we're gonna push into those little things, and it's gonna grip that cloth. We're gonna do that 4 times to attach all 4 corners of the cloth on here till it's nice and secure. And now we're good to go. So you can see this can pivot, it can get under things very easily. We've got the pad, it's got that microfiber type of feel to it. And then we can go ahead and start to sweep with our Swiffer sweeper here. And there we are. You can see I can push this along. We can get into those crevices. You can pivot just by spinning. So if I turn my wrist basically here, I can pivot and spin around the end of this. See that action happening here, and that allows us to get in. We can go up and down, so we can get under stuff if we want to, and it's picking up the dust using that microfiber aspect of the cloth. Now let's have a look quickly. We do this for longer, but well, you can see it's already starting to pick up a lot of stuff off of the floor here. So very helpful tool, and again, you could either put on a dry cloth like this or one of the wet cloths if you want to mop some sticky messes off of the floor in addition to just picking up a ton of dust. Now when we're done with the cloth, it's very simple. We're just gonna pop these off, pull them straight out. We can take that cloth and we can either throw it away, or you can actually sign up with Swiffer to recycle these, which is great. So you can throw these in a box. They'll give you a packing label. You can send them back to be recycled. And that's a look at setting up and using our Swiffer sweeper.